AZCO Corp. Custom Cutting and Feeding Solutions. In today's rapidly evolving medical and diagnostic industries, precision, consistency, and reliability are more important than ever. As demand for diagnostic testing continues to grow, manufacturers require automation solutions capable of increasing throughput while maintaining the highest standards of accuracy and product quality. At AZCO Corp, we've spent decades engineering advanced automation systems that help manufacturers meet these evolving demands with confidence. From precision material feeding and unwinding, to cutting, counting, and product handling, every AZCO solution is designed to improve production efficiency while delivering exceptional repeatability throughout the manufacturing process. Among the latest innovations is the SurSize SM160 cut-to-length assembly. Engineered for speed, accuracy, and reliability, the SM160 precisely feeds, measures, cuts, and counts flexible materials, transforming continuous roll stock into production-ready components with exceptional consistency. Our family of test strip automation solutions provides manufacturers with modular, scalable systems that integrate seamlessly into existing production lines or operate as standalone workstations. Designed with flexibility in mind, each solution helps streamline production, reduce waste, minimize downtime, and maximize overall performance. Whether operating independently or integrated into a fully automated manufacturing line, the SM160 can easily combine with conveyors, vision inspection systems, robotic handling, packaging equipment, and custom-engineered automation to create complete production solutions tailored to each customer's unique application. Whether used for blood glucose monitoring, pregnancy testing, infectious disease screening, or other points-of-care diagnostics, every test strip demands exceptional precision throughout the manufacturing process. For decades, manufacturers have trusted AZCO because we deliver more than automation. We deliver precision, we deliver innovation, and we deliver reliable solutions that keep production moving. AZCO Corp. Custom Cutting and Feeding Solutions.